Okay, just so you guys know, I have to bring my wife to school soon. And then I'll come back after like 10 minutes. Um, is everyone ready?
Yep.
Is anyone not ready? Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, we can hear you, Rachel. Can everyone hear me okay?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I can hear you too.
Okay, you guys ready for the homework?
Yeah.
Okay. I cannot hear you guys.
Oh, okay. Okay, Rachel, are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, I think we should just
I
get
am.
started then.
Okay.
Um, so we want to start from question 3. It says the total area
Um,
under the normal distribution curve must equal.
question 3.
Pretty sure it's 1.
Oh, that's what I was thinking too. And then question 4 asks if the normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis, and I don't think it can.
I don't think you can either.
Cool. I think number 4 is false then. And then question 5 just asks if a normal distribution curve is symmetric.
It is, I think.
Yep, I believe
Yeah.
so too. It's the same on both sides.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm hearing a feedback. Are we in question 3?
We're on question 6 now.
Serious? Wow. Okay.
Sorry, are we a little bit laggy for you? Can you not hear us? I'm gonna try turning off my camera to see if it goes a little faster. Actually, can you guys see my computer screen?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so you should be able to just follow along as we go then. So this is going to be question 3. This is what we decided the answer was. And then question 4.
Oh.
Sorry, my laptop's a little bit slower, so I can't like see what's going on. So question 6, I put C.
I'm pretty
Does
sure
everyone
it's,
agree with that?
yeah.
Yeah, I think that works.
I think it's the only one that could actually be the Z score.
Yeah.
Lewis and Rachel, are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
So I actually have to bring my wife to school really quick. I don't know what you guys want to do. Do you guys want to just keep going? I'll be back in like 10 minutes or so. I just need to go wake her up really quick.
Yeah, that works. We'll just keep working on it. And then when you get back, we can fill you in.
Do you guys want me to turn my screen share off?
I don't really think it matters about your screen share. I don't know.
Okay. You guys can just like talk through them really quick.
Yeah.
I think Rachel disappeared. So whatever you guys can figure out.
Yeah, you go take care of your wife and we'll keep going.
Okay. Sounds good.
Alright, perfect. So I think we're on question 7. Is everyone ready to keep going?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
ready. Yep.
Alright, sweet. So, which of the following elements of the figures represents the probability the disease score will be greater than 1? What do you guys think that is?
Yeah,
I think it's B.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah. Because the other one will be minus negative number.
Alright, and what do you guys think for question 8?
Um,
Alright, and what do you guys think for question 8? I think it's 68.
so how'd you get that?
I just
I
remember
agree
reading
with
that from the book. It says on there that that 68% lies within 1 standard deviation of the mean, and then 95 is within 2 standard deviations, and then 99.7 is within 3 standard deviations. That's
Okay.
what the 68, 95, 99.7 rule is.
Okay.
And then 99.7 is within 3 standard deviations. That's what the 99.7
Someone has a double screen that's replaying what we are talking about.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I have like 5 minutes still, so right when I leave I'll be gone, but I'm just pulling these up while you go. Sorry guys, I have like 5 minutes. Right when I leave, I'll be gone, but I'm just pulling these up while you go. Hey, you guys still going?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out this next problem.
Oh, okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
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 So do you see what I did with the normal probability applet?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, what's that?
So all you do is you highlight the area between -1 and 1, which is these two z-scores. And then right up here will give you the area, which is the z, or I guess this is the proportion.
Looks like 0.683.
Yep. And the way you can check to see if it's the proportion is if you highlight everything into 1. And then the next question says to change these to
So is that going to be 0.955?
Yeah.
I believe so.
So is that going to be 0.955?
Yeah.
Alright, and then question 11. If you go ahead and extend that out to 3, well, negative 3 to 3, I got 0.997.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Alright. Question 11. Go ahead and extend that out to 3, well, negative 3 to 3, I got 0.997.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Alright. Alright, then just go ahead and move along here for 12. I got the values match the 68, 95, 99.7% rule.
Yep, got that as well.
Alright, very cool. Go ahead and move along for 12. I got the values match the 68, 95, 99.7% rule. Is everyone still on following along? Or, I don't know. There's a lot of silence, so.
I think we're all still here.
Yeah, I think people are just quiet. I'm about to leave to bring my wife, but I'm following along and I'm still here.
Alright, perfect.
Okay, so do you guys know how to do these problems?
Trying to figure that out right now.
So first we're going to need to find the z-score. So there's the mean right here, 6.65 grams, and then the standard deviation is 0.07.
Yeah.
In the book it tells you right here. So there's a data point, and then there's the mean. So you take the data minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Alright guys, I'll be back. I need to go take my wife really quick.
Okay.
Alright, good luck. So for number 13, I got 0.714. I'm not exactly sure if I did it right. So for number 13, I got 0.714.
Um, that's what I got as well.
Alright. Alright, so I have a question. So, question 13 asks for the protein requirement that is less than 60, and then 14 asks for the one that is more. So, would 13 be 7.1 or 0.714? Or would it be 1 minus 7.14 or 0.714, and then 14 would be 714? Does that make sense?
Oh, so you're like meaning like 13 is minus 0.714 and 14 is plus 7.14?
No, let me see here. So basically what I'm asking, if it makes sense, is if 13 would be 0.286, which would be 1 minus 0.714,
Okay.
and 14 would be just the 0.714.
Oh,
286, which would be 1 minus 0.714, and 14 would be just the 0.714. Oh.
I think 14 is that 0.286, but I could be wrong.
Okay, let's take a look here.
I think 14 is that 0.286, but I could be wrong.
Oh, let's see. Oh. Alright, so actually, I think I've changed my mind. So, alright, so what I'm thinking now is 0.714 is the z-score that we found for that situation, for that question. And then what we can do is we go ahead and we put it into the normal probability applet down in the z-score. And so you can just type that into the bottom right one, and that gives you all of that. And so then we can see what is above that and what is below that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so for above, for 13 then, I see 0.238.
Okay. Well, what about for 14 then?
Oh no, sorry, I got that wrong. So 14 would be 0.238, because that's above. And then below that would be 0.762 is 13.
Okay.
And then below that was 0.76. 13. Okay.
0.762, yeah.
Since you're looking at the applet, look at number 15.
I'm sorry. Oh, number, yeah.
Yeah, if you have the applet up, just look at number 15 real quick.
So let's do.
I'm sorry. Yeah, if you have the applet up.
So on the applet for the area, what did you put?
So I didn't put down for the area. I put down the z-score. So at the bottom I put 0.714, and then that'll tell you what the area is, and then the area is what the answer would be.
Okay.
At the bottom, I put 0.714, and then that'll tell you what the area is. And then the area is what the answer is. And then that'll and then the area is what you.
Okay. Wait, what's going on?
What?
I was just wondering, I heard like laughing or something, I thought.
I don't think so.
Oh. So are you guys all done?
We're on number 15.
15, yeah.
Cool.
We're on number.
Did you guys get this for question 13?
What?
What did you guys get for 13?
0.762.
Point 762. Are you sure about that?
Or not?
Not really.
Okay, so if you guys look on my screen, I think this is how you're supposed to do it. So you'll take 0.6 and you will minus 0.65, and then you'll divide it by 0.07, which is the standard deviation.
Yeah.
And it should give you this.
Yep,
Okay.
we got that.
Okay, so once you do that, it says what proportion, or I guess what is the proportion that has protein requirement that is less than 0.6, which means you're going to be in this area right here.
Oh, we just switched them up.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Yeah, because this line right here is the 0.6 z-score.
Yeah.
So it's going to be everything less than that.
Yeah, all we just mixed it up.
You just chose. I want these ones.
We just mixed it up.
So that would mean that 15 would be 0.762 also, is that correct?
14 would be.
Right, now I went on to 15. That would mean that 15 would be 0.7 also.
Yeah, and I think you're right on that one.
Yeah.
Right, I went on to 15.
Because it would be 0.7 minus 0.65 divided by 0.07. It gives you the same z-score, but it's positive. So you're going to do those two. Does that look right? Everybody good?
Yeah, it looks right to me.
Alright, and then going on to 16, I got 0.525.
I agree with that.
Agreed.
I got 0.525.
So how do we find the 35th percentile?
That was a great question.
How do we find the 35th percentile? That was a great question.
Oh, here we go.
So is that it?
So this right here says the 90th percentile would be 90.
Oh, so
So I'm
30th
guessing
percentile.
35th would be 35, right?
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. Oh no, you're supposed to type it in up here.
And
You
keep
have
the
to highlight in there.
So it'd be 0.45 or
I think so. Oh, but since it's a percentile, you have to. Okay. So first we have to determine what the 35th percentile is. Is it saying like everything and below 35? So it'd be like this one.
yeah.
So first we have to determine what the 35th percentile is. If it's saying like everything below 35. So are we supposed to give the z-score, or are we supposed to find the actual
I
value?
think what it is we have to find x, and so what I think we need to do is on the normal probability applet up there we need to type in 0.35, and that gives us the z-score. And
So we have to
so
work backward.
with the z-score we can then find out how to find x by punching into that equation where it's x minus the mean over standard deviation, and then we just solve for x. With the
Gotcha.
we can then find out how to find x by punching into that equation where it's x minus the mean over standard deviation, and then we just solve for x.
Rachel disappeared again.
Does anyone know what the equation would be?
I am not 100%.
Oh, is this it?
That's what I'm guessing. I'm not 100%. Oh. That's what I'm guessing.
Okay, so it's going to be the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. Yeah.
Yeah. The answer 0.381.
Oh,
I don't know.
did I do it wrong? Wait, what did you get for your z-score?
What it says there, that's what I got for the z-score is negative 0.385.
Okay, let's see what happens on the calculator. So tell me if I'm doing this right.
Times.
What it says there, that's what I got for
Oh.
the score is
Is that right?
0.85.
Oh yeah, I think it's times 0.7, not times. Oh no, it's 0.07. I did that wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay. I was just confused.
Yeah, I put the 0 in front of the point.
Oh, gotcha.
I got 0.623.
Okay, cool. That's what I got.
Sweet.
Yeah, I put 0 in front of the. I got 0.623.
Do you guys understand which z-score you're supposed to use, right?
Yeah.
Lewis, are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing okay. Rachel is disappearing.
Yeah, where did Rachel go?
No, she keeps disappearing.
Maybe it's just her internet.
Rachel is disappearing.
Okay, so this last one's just asking for the same thing, right? Lewis, do you have an answer for 18?
Do I have an answer for 18? No.
Do you know how to do 18?
I'm trying to follow. No, I didn't. I didn't have time to read that.
Do I have a
Okay, so the biggest thing is just you need to use the normal probability output.
Mm-hmm.
And just make sure these two are highlighted before you type in the number.
Okay.
And then just type in, so if it's like 80% out, you're going to type in up here as 0.80.
Okay.
And then it'll set these to the z-score for the 80th percentile. And wherever the blue ends up being, that's the z-score you use.
Okay.
And then after you find that, you use this equation right here.
Okay.
The z-score equals the data point minus the mean over the standard deviation.
Okay.
For this specific problem, we're looking for x. So you'd have to kind of work it out this way, where you put in all these values and just switch them over. Tim and Connor, did you guys get an answer for 18?
Oh yeah, for 18 I got 0.709.
Perfect. That's what I got too.
Oh yeah, for 18 I got 0.709.
Okay, so is that everything?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Okay, well, we can tell Rachel that she can look at the video again if she wants to like go through the last few.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, that works.
That might be the easiest way because then she can just go through and we kind of explain how it works.
Yeah, alright, that works.
So let's try and submit it. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and submit it. See what it says.
Yeah, I got them all right. So,
Hey, so how'd you guys get the 0.709? I'm getting a funky number, so.
okay. So I can help you work through that.
Yeah, I got the applet good. We're good on the applet.
Good.
I got all the information.
Okay, so what you're going to want to do is take that z-score
Yeah.
And you will want to times it by the standard deviation.
Which is 0.07, right?
Right. And you should get 0.05894.
Yeah, we got that.
And then the last thing you do is you add the mean.
Oh. I was dividing the mean. Now I know why.
Yeah,
my
you
bad.
can look through this problem in the book.
Yeah.
It's just hard to understand because it doesn't have all the symbols in here.
That's okay. Sweet.
Okay, does anyone have any questions?
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good too. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. I will just post this to the discussion board, and I'll tell Rachel.
Okay.
And I think we're good.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right, thanks, guys. We'll see
Yeah,
you
hey,
guys.
thank
I guess-
you.
Are we meeting again on Monday?
Have a good one.
Yeah, I think we're just meeting on Monday at the same time at that 10 a.m. time.
So
Okay.
that would be mountain time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
From Monday to 10 Mountain Time.
Okay.
Alrighty.
All right.
We
See
can do
you guys on Monday.
Yep, we'll see you guys Monday.
Bye. Thank you, Eric.
Yep, have a good weekend.
that. See ya.